Hello बच्चों, we are in the part 2E of integration and we are studying integration by adjusting the numerator. Part 2D में we have done similar exercise concerning trigonometric functions. Now we are doing this based on exponential functions. चलिए क्या है देखेंगे. We have to adjust the numerator. To what value? Adjust the numerator so that numerator is equal to lambda times, lambda is some constant, into denominator plus mu times denominator dash, means derivative of denominator, and we have to find values of lambda and mu. चलो देखेंगे example. Okay, before this you must be aware of all these rules and formulae, and this is what we have to use. समझ गए? This is the most important formula. F dash x upon fx. Integral of this will be log of fx. समझ गए? Similarly, this fx raised to n into f dash x will be fx raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. And f dash x upon root fx, the integral of that, of course with respect to x, will be 2 root fx. समझ गए? And we have to adjust numerator like this. This is the summary of the entire subtopic. Now we have to find integral of 4e raised to x minus 25 upon 2e raised to x minus 5. So बच्चों, what is denominator? Denominator is 2e raised to x minus 5. What is dr dash? Means derivative. 2 into derivative of e raised to x, that is 2e raised to x, minus 5, derivative of 5 is 0, so that is 2e raised to x. Now we have to make numerator like this. समझ गए? So numerator is equal to lambda times denominator plus mu times denominator dash. अभी हमें denominator मालूम है, denominator dash मालूम है, numerator मालूम है. So we'll find lambda and mu. Numerator 4 e raised to x minus 25 will be equal to lambda times denominator 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus mu times 2 e raised to x. So what happens? 4 e raised to x minus 25 is equal to e raised to x. What will be the coefficient of e raised to x? 2 lambda plus 2 mu. 2 lambda plus 2 times mu. बराबर है? Plus what will be the constant term? यहाँ तो कुछ नहीं है. This will be minus 5 lambda. Now we have to equate coefficient of e raised to x with e raised to x and constant term with respect to constant term. समझ रहे हैं आप? बराबर है बच्चों? तो now what happens? Just see, minus 25 will be equal to minus 5 lambda. So I get lambda is equal to 5. समझ गए बच्चों? Lambda is equal to 5 and 4 is equal to 2 lambda plus 2 mu. So 4 is equal to 2 into 5 plus 2 mu. So this will give me 4 is equal to 10 plus 2 mu, and this gives me mu is equal to 10, will make this minus 6 minus 3. minus 3. So I got these two results, lambda and mu. समझ गए बच्चों? ये साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन सॉल्व करो, एक बार फिर से क्रॉस चेक करो एंड देन वी प्रोसीड. सो न्यूमरेटर विल बी इक्वल टू लैम्डा टाइम्स डिनोमिनेटर प्लस म्यू टाइम्स डिनोमिनेटर का डेरिवेटिव. सो न्यूमरेटर what is numerator? Numerator is 4e raised to x minus 25 will be lambda. How much lambda we got? 5 into bracket denominator 2e raised to x minus 5. 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus mu times, mu means minus 3 times derivative of denominator. Derivative of denominator is 2e raised to x. So into minus 3 times, what is the derivative? 2e raised to x. 2e raised to x. So I get numerator as 5 into this, 5 into 2e raised to x minus 5 minus 6 e raised to x. समझ गए बच्चों? बराबर है? चलो, now my integration becomes numerator. I will write down as this, 5 into 2e raised to x minus 5 minus 6 times e raised to x divided by denominator. What is denominator? 2e raised to x minus 5 dx. समझ गए? Very important step. So now I can divide first term and second term individually by denominator and write it integral 5 2e raised to x minus 5 upon 2e raised to x minus 5 dx minus integral. Now see what I do. This 6 I make 3 into 2. 3 I take outside. 2e raised to x upon 2e raised to x minus 5 dx. Why I did like this? Because now I get here the derivative of the denominator. समझ गए? So we know now that this bracket will get cancelled. So 5 integral 1 dx minus 3 integral 2e raised to x upon 2e raised to x minus 5 dx. So 1 का integral is x, so 5x minus 3 times log of denominator, because here we have derivative of denominator. So log of denominator 2e raised to x minus 5, and as you know we take only modular value of log, means positive value, because log of negative is not existing, plus of course constant of integration. समझ गए? एक बार पॉज करो, फिर से एक बार देखो. Now I will give you one more example which you have to use similar method and solve it. समझ गए? Now what you will do here? Let us take second example. I am not going to solve fully. I am going to give you only hint. Example बहुत ही प्यारा है. Integral 20 plus 12 e raised to x divided by 3 e raised to x plus 4 dx. Now very simple. What we have? We have similar method. Denominator is equal to 3 e raised to x plus 4. What is denominator's dash? Means derivative of denominator. This 3 remains as it is, e raised to x. ये तो याद है आपको? Should I remind you? Not necessary. 3 multiplied by derivative of e raised to x. 3 multiplied by derivative of e raised to x. Plus derivative of 4 is 0 because it is a separate constant. So it is 3 e raised to x. Now I write down using this. समझ गए? टाइटल हमारा न्यूमरेटर इज 3. नो, न्यूमरेटर इज व्हाट? 20 plus 12 e raised to x will be lambda times denominator 3 e raised to x plus 4 plus mu times derivative of denominator 3 e raised to x. So what we get? 20 plus 12 e raised to x will be equal to e raised to x. What will be the coefficient of e raised to x? This will be 3 lambda and this will be 3 mu. And what will be the another term? 4 lambda. यहाँ तो कुछ अलग टर्म नहीं है. So e raised to x coefficient we equate with e raised to x coefficient, and this constant term is this constant term. So we get 4 lambda is equal to 20, lambda is equal to 5. समझ गए बच्चों? And 3 lambda plus 3 mu is equal to 20. बराबर है? तो 3 into 5 plus 3 into mu is equal to 20. So 3 mu is equal to 20 minus 15, 5. So we get mu is equal to 5 upon 3. समझ गए? So we got lambda and we got mu. समझ गए बच्चों? Now further you have to adjust numerator so that numerator will be like this, and then refer the previous example and solve it. समझ ले? समझ गया? Very good. Now next videos we are going to start integration by parts. Very interesting integration. If you know in physics, in relativity, Einstein invented E is equal to mc square. याद है? सुना है आपने? For deriving E is equal to mc square, what is required? Integration by parts, which we are going to learn in the next part. When you know the application, your learning will become very interesting. समझ गए बच्चों? तो इसके लिए मेरे एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव इस प्रकार के वीडियो भी देख लीजिए. समझ गए? थैंक यू.